Okay, I'm going to try to use this pressure washer. It was losing prime the past few times I used it. I haven't used it all that much, but it was losing prime. So we're going to give this Ryobi 1600 PSI 1.2 gallon per minute another shot. Most likely I'm going to return it and get the same one over again and see what happens, but I don't want to deal with losing prime. Okay, I just ran it with no nozzle on it just to get it primed out. I did it earlier today too, so we'll give it another shot. I'm going to put this turbo nozzle on. Okay. Just listen to the pump, and you can hear it lose its prime. Was losing its prime there. You hear it? That wasn't as... It does it even worse. You heard that, right? I mean, I wasn't doing anything different. It was having a problem producing the pressure. Goes for a good run without it losing the prime. It's just those few times it loses prime. And anytime it loses prime, you think, when's the last time it's going to do this and then not work anymore? But you can go and do it for now. It's pretty new and it's working fine now. But when it loses that prime, you're like, oh no, not again.